In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backup and restore WhatsApp messages on Android. We'll start with creating a backup of your chats, and then I'll walk you through how to restore them on a new phone or after reinstalling the app. Follow along on your own device so you can set this up as we go. First, open WhatsApp on your Android phone. From the main chat screen, look to the top right corner and tap the three vertical dots to open the menu. In that menu, tap Settings. This is where all your account and chat options live. Inside Settings, tap on Chats. Here you'll see options related to how your messages look and behave. Scroll down until you find Chat Backup and tap on it. This is the main control center for backing up everything. Your messages, photos, and even videos if you choose. On the Chat Backup screen, you'll see where your backups are being saved, usually to your Google account via Google Drive. Make sure the listed Google account is one you actually use and can sign into on other devices. If it's not the right one, tap it and switch to the correct account. Below that, choose your backup frequency. You can set it to daily, weekly, monthly, or only when you tap backup. For most people, daily or weekly is best, so you don't lose anything important. You can also choose whether backups happen over Wi-Fi only, or Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you're on a limited data plan, it's safer to keep it on Wi-Fi only. If you want your videos included, enable the option for backing up videos. But keep in mind, this will make backups larger and slower. When you're ready, tap the backup button. Let it finish completely. Don't close the app while it's running. Once it's done, your messages are safely stored in your Google account. Now, let's restore those chats on a new Android phone or after reinstalling WhatsApp. Install WhatsApp from the Play Store and open it. Go through the initial setup and when prompted, verify your phone number. Make sure you use the exact same number and the same Google account you used for the backup. After verifying, WhatsApp will automatically scan your Google Drive for any existing backups. When it finds one, it will show you the date and size of the backup and give you the option to restore. Tap Restore, then wait while your messages are downloaded. Once the messages are restored, WhatsApp will continue restoring your media in the background. When everything finishes, you'll see your chats just as they were at the time of the backup, ready to use on your Android device.